welcome back. Today, we're tackling a question a lot of people have been asking: how to last longer in bed. We're talking about proven techniques and positions to help you keep going strong for over 30 minutes. And here's the best part: it's not just about endurance. It's about fully enjoying the moment and making sure you and your partner feel that deep connection. So if you're ready to level up your game, stick around. Let's dive right in. 1. Why lasting longer matters and understanding the basics. First, let's talk about why lasting longer in bed can make a big difference. It's not just about performance. It's about creating a meaningful experience for both you and your partner. When you're able to pace yourself, it gives you more time to connect emotionally, try new things, and just enjoy the moment together. But lasting longer doesn't always come naturally, and that's totally okay. It's something that takes a bit of practice, patience, and the right techniques. So let's go over some effective strategies that can help you control your pace and really make the experience unforgettable. 2. Mindful breathing techniques. Stay relaxed and focused. One of the best ways to build endurance in bed is by practicing mindful breathing. This might sound simple, but staying relaxed and focused on your breath can help you control your body's response and keep your mind in the moment. Here's how it works. Take a deep breath in for about 4 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds, and then exhale for 4 seconds. Repeat this rhythm as you're going, especially if you start feeling that intensity building up. This controlled breathing will help you slow down and stay connected to your body, extending the experience. Give it a try. You might be surprised how much of a difference a little focus can make. 3. Start-stop method. Learning to control your sensitivity. Next up is the classic start-stop method. This technique is all about learning to manage your body's sensitivity by taking breaks right when things start getting intense. So here's how you do it. As you feel yourself reaching the peak, stop for a few moments, slow down, and take a couple of deep breaths. Use this time to shift focus. Kiss, make eye contact, or talk to your partner. These pauses not only help you last longer, but they can also heighten the intimacy between you and your partner. And remember, this isn't just a stop moment. It's an opportunity to reconnect, making the whole experience way more memorable. 4. Positions to help pace yourself. Low intensity to high intensity. Now let's talk positions. Some positions are better for pacing yourself and maintaining control, which is super important if you're aiming for that 30-minute mark. Let's start with a few low-intensity positions and work our way up. Position 1. Spooning. Host smiles, speaking calmly. The first position that's great for pacing yourself is spooning. It's a low-intensity position that allows you to stay close to your partner while moving at a slower, more controlled rhythm. This position is especially good if you're focusing on deep breathing and staying relaxed. Plus, spooning is a position that fosters a lot of intimacy. You can kiss, whisper to each other, and take things slow. It's all about staying connected without rushing. Position 2. Missionary with a twist. Next, we have a classic position with a twist. Missionary might seem simple, but if you use slow, circular movements instead of a fast, repetitive rhythm, it can really help you maintain control. The goal here is to focus on deeper, slower movements. This not only helps with endurance, but it also allows both of you to feel every movement more intensely. Position 3. Seated positions. Lastly, seated positions, where you're sitting up with your partner on your lap, can also help you control the pace. This position gives your partner some control too, so you can focus on enjoying the moment without worrying about overdoing it. In this position, you can go slow, take breaks, and really savor the experience. Plus, it keeps you close, which is always a win. 5. Practicing Kegel exercises. Strengthen your endurance. Now, if you're serious about building endurance, let's talk about Kegel exercises. These are all about strengthening your pelvic floor muscles, which play a big role in helping you maintain control. You can start by practicing Kegels a few times a day. Just tighten the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine. Hold for a few seconds and release. Over time, this strengthens your control, which can make a noticeable difference in bed. And the best part? You can do these anywhere while sitting, lying down, or even on a walk. Consistency is key. 6. Stay focused on your partner, building intimacy and reducing pressure. Here's another game changer. Focus on your partner, not just on lasting longer. When you shift your focus to making her feel amazing, you'll naturally feel less pressure on yourself, which can actually help you last longer. Ask her what she likes, pay attention to her reactions, and make sure you're both comfortable. When you're focused on creating a meaningful experience, it takes the pressure off and makes the whole experience so much more satisfying for both of you. Remember, it's not just about hitting a certain time, it's about enjoying the journey together. When you stay present and connected, lasting longer becomes more of a natural outcome. So there you have it, techniques and positions that can help you reach that 30-minute mark and beyond. Remember, it's all about taking your time, staying present, and focusing on creating a deeper connection with your partner. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions or tips you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.